Okay, test of the Dibea robotic vacuum. I've got cereal on the floor in this area. We're gonna see if it can pick it all up. Okay, so I'm gonna push clean, clean, yeah, clean. There it goes. Okay, there it goes. Let's see which way it goes. And of course it goes the direction that I didn't think it would go, but okay. Left one behind. Ohana! No cereal gets left behind. And I have shoes there to block how far it'll go, so it won't go any further than that. And so far it's still, we're just starting out, of course. Yeah, I have the black shoes there, so it won't go under the chair. Oh, sorry. Go, robot, go! You can do it! Oh, no. Thought he would go over there, but he won't. See, that area right over there is where it was just not wanting to get to before. Oh, see, and it stopped short of where it should have gotten to, but why it stopped and turned around, I don't know. But it did. And it's like that area over there, it just really does not want to get to it over there. So we'll see if it does it this time. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But it's supposed to be a smart programming, and you see it kind of does these long straight stretches, which is good, but then it stops. Stop! See, I'm not touching anything, I'm just watching it. See, okay, why did it turn there? I don't know. And it turned back this way. Still missing that area way over there. Not sure why. It just doesn't like that area. Okay, so keep going, little robot. You can do it. You can do it. And ignore the dirty floor. We're getting new carpet. That's why we wanted to get a new robot. So it would clean the new carpet. Why did it stop there? I don't know. Why is it stopping again? I don't know. And then look, it won't go all the way over there to that. Oh, it misses all those. Oh, is it going to go over there? No, it's not. It does something there. Why did it do that? Okay. And then who knows what it's doing. But look, see, it does really nice straight track, which makes you think it's smarter than the Roomba that just bounces around randomly. This one does have a random mode, by the way, also, which that was good, but it's supposed to work on the smart path. If it doesn't work on the smart path is no good. It's not smart if it's not smart. So maybe it's found a lot of dirt there, so it's doing a circle, I don't know. Kind of gets into that little cubby. That's kind of neat. He's trying to get every little corner. Will he get this one that's right over here? Who knows? Will he do it? Will he do it? No. Okay. Anyway, he's doing a straight pass, so maybe he'll come back for it. Oh, what did he stop for? He stopped. He turned. 90-degree turn. Cool. Oh, hits you. Oh, he got that one. Good job, little robot. Come back, come back. Now let's see what he does. Will he get that one in the corner? He's thinking. He's blinking. Can you see this light blinking? It's blinking clean for some reason. I don't know what it's doing, but it's blinking. Thinking of some... Thinking. I don't know. Doing something. Sitting there. He really wants to wipe that edge, I guess. Oh, there he goes. And he kind of took a diagonal. Don't know why he did that. He goes into that corner, which is good. This little piece is still there. Let's see if he can get to it. Which, I mean, if that's all he missed, that would be alright. But so far, he still has not gotten over all the way over there. Look at there. Look. Awesome. Oh, he did it. Look at that. You see that? He got that one. He got another one. No, is he going to go all the way? Is he going to go all the way? Oh. Oh, no. Oh, he turned around. Oh, he lost that one. Okay. Oh, he hit the bumper. Seemed like it didn't bother him. But see, the problem is that he's not getting all the way over there. Watch him stop. Oh, he stopped. See that? Doesn't that just aggravate you? You know he wants to, but he won't do it. Okay. Come on, robot. You can do it. Come on, robot. We're hoping you will. Give my shoes a shine while you're over there. Oh, look. Oh no, he won't do it. Okay, so then he's going to go into this little area, which is okay. I mean, he's up under the chair. Let's hope he gets out from underneath it. Don't get stuck under the chair. Okay, we may have to give him a little help because he got under the chair. Come on, get out from under the chair. There, you're out from under the chair. Okay. Oh, but look, he got back. Let's see what he does. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for it. Nope, he didn't. Oh, look at that. Okay, he loves that part of the chair. Okay. Go, little robot. No? He likes 90-degree turns, which is really neat. That's pretty amazing that it does 90-degree turns. Exactly. But he will not go over there to the left side. Oh, it goes pause. Goes pause. It's like a wedding march or something. Where they drop the leaves, you know, they step pause, step pause. Okay, turning around. Kind of do a little more. Okay, go for it, robot. You can do it. No, not today. Okay, turn again. Come on, little robot. You can do it. Okay, going for it. He's going for the long pause. Oh, he turned early. Bang. Okay, so no. Kind of starting over. Come on, going for second wind. You can do it, robot. No, the other way. It just will not go over there to the left. See, all those poor little pieces of cereal. Look, is he going for it? He's going for the long run. He's going for the long run. He's going for the long run. Do it, little robot. Do it. Will you do it? Okay, stop. That was cool. Okay, so he got that. Can you do it again? Come on, little robot, you can do it. Why didn't you go all the way? Okay, do it, robot. You can do it. You can do it. Go all the way, robot. No, you stopped. Oh, come on. Hey, well, yeah, do that area. Great, whatever. Okay, don't go up under the chair. I said don't. Okay, come out from under there. Let's see if we can move these boots a little more this way. Maybe that'll help.
These black mountains and lava flows were created by leftover heat from the Earth's formation, spilling out onto the surface. Planet 9, born with so much more insulating rock, should have even more of this leftover heat trapped inside.
Okay, little robot, come on. Look at all that cereal just waiting to be picked up. It wants to escape. We got it pinned in. It says, no, I want to get free. I want to go free. Sorry, robot, you can't go free until you pick up all the cereal. Okay. Maybe I talked it into it. Come on, you can do it, robot. Okay, okay. Turn. Yes, you're going the right way. Yes, go that way. Go. Oh. No, turn the other way. Turn around, robot. The other way. The touchdown is the other way.
You're going to have volcanoes, you're going to have canyons, you're going to have plate tectonics, mountain building. All of these processes are still going to be going on out there in what we normally would think of as the frozen, cold, and dead world of the outer solar system.
Okay. I mean, you're doing a really great job, robot, on this side, but the other side, you're just not cutting it on the other side over there. Come on, little robot. When we get our new carpet, you got to work really good for the new carpet. Don't you want to work good for the new carpet? Okay, maybe we talked you into it. New carpet. Got it. Oh, you turned short. Okay. Come on, look at there's still cereal over there waiting to be picked up. Where you going? Find the cereal. Find the cereal, robot. Oh, 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 could it be going there? Come on, robot. Do it. Find the cereal. Be the cereal. Pick it up. You can do it. You can do it. Look. Oh. Hey. I think you picked one more up. You got to pick them all up. Got to catch them all. Okay. Go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. You're going right for it. You're going right for it. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Oh, you stopped. Oh, almost. Almost. Okay, 15 minutes in, and we still got cereal over there. He got a lot of it, a lot more this time than he did last time. So hopefully, maybe this time he'll get them all. I don't know. Come on, robot, you can do it. Look, 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 look. No, stop. Oh, that's so frustrating. Oh, the robot, come on. It's right over there. It's right there, robot. Oh.
Maybe it's the 2.5 centuries of friendships that we call robotic. Maybe it's our welcoming balance.
Okay.
Sweet flavor. How the long-lasting hair keeps every single affection in the course of our conversation. But there's something about getting 7 months. There's less that separates us than brings us together. Just listen.
Come on, little robot. You can do it. You can do it.
This holiday, the real gift isn't what's inside the box. It's what's inside the person who opens it. Give your loved ones Ancestry DNA, the simple DNA test that can tell them where they came from by revealing their ethnic mix. You'll save 10% and they'll have a
Well,
story to tell.
did he get it? Oh, look at that. Do you see that? He picked that cereal up.
10%.
That was cool. Okay, look, there's just a couple more right over there. You can do it. Go, go. No, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Okay, you like the treadmill. We got that. We know you like the treadmill. You like the treadmill a whole lot. You want to run on the treadmill. No, you don't need to run on the treadmill. You are running fine without having to be on the treadmill. Okay. You need to get the cereal that's over there. Over there. The cereal over there. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Go, go, go. What are you doing? You're sitting there. Go. Go. Hey, there you go. You're going the right way. You're going the right way. Don't stop. Don't stop. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go. Look, it's right there. Go, that cereal over there. Oh, don't turn around. Don't turn around. Uh-oh. Oh. Look, yeah. Go, 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 go. You can do. Oh, you turned around again.
And this is populated by icing bodies. These are giant chunks of
Okay. Come on, you can do it. Come on. I like the little zigzag pattern. I mean, that's really cool. That makes you feel like it's actually getting good coverage. Except for the fact that it doesn't get all the way over there. I don't know why. It's favoring the right side over here with the treadmill. It's not hitting the left side, but very rarely, if at all. And you can see there's still cereal left. So obviously it's not 100% effective. And this is even the better run of the deal, because last time it left this whole area over there with nothing, not picking up. I think this is 20 minutes in. That's long enough to test it out. So I am going to stop it now. And so that was our test run. Yay! Everyone, thanks for watching. Bye.